Okay. Starting from the bottom, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, and 2 more 5 zip tied. 170 plus whatever that is. I need to get some new weights, man. This is pretty pathetic. Like, all I have is 10s. It sucks. And I don't know. I haven't done the Rolling Thunder in a couple of years. Probably 2 years. You know, minus the one warm-up I just did, but I think I maxed out at about 200 and I stopped there because it was so hard to push past. Just doing something different today. And there goes the zip tie. So let's try it again. What you want? What you need? Give me a bite, what you need? What you want? What you want? Give me a bite, what you need? Scarecrow, scarecrow. What's that? Just not. Oh, God. Is that awesome? Is that just smoke? Is that awesome? Shit. Okay. That's okay. We keep playing. We keep playing. That's all I got right now.